Are you ready to unlock the secrets of small-scale manufacturing and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? In 2024, the business landscape is changing faster than ever, with 97% of new millionaires making their fortunes through small businesses and side hustles. Today, we're diving into the world of mini production machines, the golden ticket to your own manufacturing empire. Explore the top 25 manufacturing business ideas that could skyrocket your income this year. 1. Smart home devices manufacturing. With the rise of smart technology, there's a huge demand for innovative devices that can make our homes more efficient and convenient. The possibilities are endless in this growing market, from smart thermostats to security cameras. 2. Sustainable packaging solutions. As consumers become more eco-conscious, there's a pressing need for sustainable packaging options. From biodegradable plastics to reusable containers, this sector offers a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. 3. Personalized clothing manufacturing. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all fashion. In 2024, consumers crave personalized clothing options that reflect their unique style and personality. Consider starting a business that allows customers to create their own custom garments. 3D printing services. The world of 3D printing is only getting bigger, and there's a huge demand for businesses that can provide high-quality printing services. Whether you're making prototypes or creating custom products, this is a trend that's here to stay. Health and wellness products. With more people focusing on their health and well-being, a growing market for products supporting a healthy lifestyle is growing. From supplements to fitness equipment, there's plenty of room for innovation in this sector. Tech accessories. Manufacturing. As technology continues to dominate our lives, there's a huge demand for accessories that can enhance our devices. Think phone cases, laptop stands, and wireless chargers. The possibilities are endless in this fast-paced market. Pet products. Manufacturing. Our furry friends deserve the best, and there's a huge market for high-quality pet products. From gourmet treats to luxurious beds, this sector has plenty of room for creativity and innovation. Custom furniture manufacturing. Forget mass-produced furniture. In 2024, consumers are looking for unique, custom pieces that reflect their personal style. Consider starting a business that offers bespoke furniture options for a truly one-of-a-kind home. Beauty and skincare products. With the rise of self-care and skincare routines, there's a massive demand for beauty products that deliver results. Consider starting a business that offers natural, cruelty-free products that cater to the modern consumer. Eco-friendly cleaning products. As more people become aware of the impact of traditional cleaning products on the environment, there's a growing demand for eco-friendly alternatives. Consider starting a business that offers sustainable, non-toxic cleaning solutions for a greener home. Smart kitchen appliances. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and in 2024, consumers are looking for appliances that can make their cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Consider starting a business that offers smart kitchen gadgets like air fryers, smart ovens, and connected coffee makers. Outdoor adventure gear. With the rise of outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and biking, there's a huge demand for high-quality adventure gear. From durable backpacks to weather-resistant tents, there's plenty of room for innovation in this exciting sector. Educational toys and games. As parents become more invested in their children's education, there's a growing market for toys and games that encourage learning and development. From STEM kits to educational board games, there's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Personalized tech accessories. In a world of mass-produced tech accessories, there's a growing demand for personalized options that allow individuals to express their unique style. Consider starting a business that offers custom phone cases, laptop sleeves, and more for a truly personalized tech experience. Sustainable fashion manufacturing. Fast fashion is out, and sustainable fashion is in. In 2024, consumers are looking for clothing that is stylish, durable, and produced ethically. Consider starting a business offering eco-friendly clothing options from sustainable materials like organic cotton and bamboo. 16. Home office essentials. With more people working from home than ever before, there's a huge demand for home office essentials that can make remote work more comfortable and productive. Consider starting a business that offers ergonomic chairs, standing desks, and noise-canceling headphones for the modern remote worker. 17. Smart gardening devices. The rise of urban gardening has created a demand for smart devices that can help gardeners grow their own food with ease. From smart planters to automated watering systems, there's plenty of room for innovation in this blossoming market. 18. Custom jewelry manufacturing. Forget mass-produced jewelry. In 2024, consumers are looking for unique custom pieces that tell a story. Consider starting a business that offers personalized jewelry options for a truly special gift or keepsake. 19. Virtual reality experiences. As virtual reality technology advances, there's a growing demand for immersive experiences that transport users to new worlds. Consider starting a business that offers virtual reality tours, games, and simulations for an unforgettable experience. 20. Subscription box services. In a world where convenience is key, subscription box services are more popular than ever. Consider starting a business that offers curated boxes filled with products tailored to your customers' interests, whether it's beauty, fitness, food, or more. 21. Chocolate-making equipment. Sweet tooth? How about a sweet bank account? Chocolate-making equipment lets you create gourmet treats that sell at premium prices. It's a delicious way to make some serious dough. 22. Herb and spice processing equipment. Spice up your income with herb and spice processing equipment. Grinders, dryers, and packaging machines can turn raw ingredients into retail-ready products with mouth-watering margins. 23. Glass-blowing tools. Talk about a hot market, pun intended. Glass-blowing equipment lets you create stunning custom pieces that command high prices. From art installations to custom light fixtures, the possibilities are as clear as glass. 24. Distilling equipment. Craft spirits are all the rage, and with the right equipment you can tap into this lucrative market. From small batch whiskeys to artisanal gins, the profit margins here are intoxicating. 25. Coffee roasting machines. Wake up and smell the profits. With a good coffee roaster, you can create your own blends and cash in on the ever-growing specialty coffee market. The margins here are as rich as the roasts themselves. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with these mini manufacturing machines. Each one of these ideas has the potential to generate 5, 6, or even 7-figure incomes for those who are willing to put in the work. But here's the thing. Knowledge is power, but only when it's put into action. So what are you waiting for? The world of manufacturing is at your fingertips, and the only limit is your imagination, and maybe your workspace, but hey, that's what garages are for, right? So, are you ready to join the revolution? Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing business ideas, like this video if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Share with your friends who are ready to earn money. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cast.